In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily check all the logins and logouts history on your Facebook application. That's quite simple, interesting, and easy. So let's get started without wasting a single second. But before starting the video, make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make any mistake, and make sure to to like the video and hit that subscribe button. So let's get started. So first of all, open up the Facebook application and then tap on three lines on the bottom right and then the gear at the top right. Once you will head over to the settings, you will have to scroll down and you will have to find activity log. Once you have found it, click on it and then scroll down and click on security and login information and then click on logins and logouts. And right on this page, you'll find all the login info with date and time where you are logged in or logged out. So that's how you can easily find all the logins and logouts information about your Facebook account in 2024. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe